Hi, welcome to our newest unboxing video. Mum and I are fighting over this parcel because she's expecting a screen protector.
Mine.
I'm expecting a package.
Nice. This is going to be very quick unboxing. It's unboxed.
Thanks for watching.
Hang on.
It's a box. Oh, we need to unbox the box.
Yeah.
Oh, geez, it really is tiny.
It's tiny.
Whoops. I'm terrible at this.
Everybody's terrible at this.
And the reason I bought this is because the one that's advertised all over the internet is almost $100 and this was $30. So I got it really to sort of stick it to the people that charge too much for this kind of crap. It's just a little wallet.
Then you're going to put some money in to prove it money's up?
Well, that's
not too much, because then people will think you're rich and steal.
Geared towards money wallet that doesn't contain any money.
I wonder if I can fit all of this in. So that's,
And a card.
well, it should hold 12 cards and
Pick
a
a
few.
card.
Yeah, I'll show you. Well, oh, that's yours. You can have that one back.
Thank you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Are you counting on a vlog? It's kind of sad.
I'm going to do the alphabet next.
So they go in like that, and your money.
No, the money doesn't go in there.
Oh,
The money goes in the clip.
in the clip. Money clip.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You can count. I did well.
Now
I think I better show you properly because he didn't even show you what it's like. There you are. That's that side. That side. How shiny it is. Very good.
carbon fibre. This isn't going to just be an unboxing video. I'm going to put this into the vlog.
With lots of cuts, I hope, for this rubbishy bits.
In fact, I might just do a part right now where pick a word.
Obscurity.
It's a good one. Obscurity. Obscurity. Obscurity.
Obscurity.
Obscurity.
Go away.
Obscurity. Obscurity. Obscurity.
You know, it's not in focus. It replaces this. Oh well.
It's actually not a huge difference.
There's no difference at all. You should have mine. Would you like to look at mine?
Yeah, let's see your wallet.
Mine's perfect.
While Mum's getting that out, I'll just do a little something to entertain everyone. So, Mum's card number.
That,
Wow. Okay, you need one
but
of those.
nice.
How many
Looking.
cards have you got in that?
Oh, lots. Look, here we go.
More
You
than
sure you
12?
want to know? Much more than 12. Many more than 12. Here we go. Counting.
This is something I need to get more of for my new wallet. A "You Suck at Parking" ticket that you can put on people's cars. Like, so many times I go into a parking structure and there's an SUV parked across 2 spaces.
True.
So, a "You Suck at Parking" sticker.
You'll be impressed by this.
Whoa!
Giant piles of cards.
Okay.
Who are the people who are watching you? They must not yet have lives.
I don't. And that's why I'm making the video, because I don't have a life either. So we all get along just fine. Popular people like you wouldn't understand.
No, that's empty and thin. So I could carry it round thin just so it would be
Wow, so you really...
thin.
So what is it? We've got 1, 2, 10, 11, 12, 13.
14,
Oh,
15, 16,
Jesus.
26, 27, 28.
Do you really need all of those
29.
though?
Well, they could probably go, but they don't have to. Because I'm perfectly content with having too many cards.
Well, I suppose a big wallet's okay. You can keep it in a handbag.
Exactly.
That's what I should have bought.
That's what you
rather
should
than
have bought, a
this.
handbag.
Oh.
You need a man bun and a handbag.
Look, this is how you access the cards. There's a little finger slot just there. Give that a push and the cards come up a bit,
Oh,
and
I
then you
see.
squeeze the bottom. Burp, and they
they burp
fan
out.
out, so you can...
Well, that is nice.
Yeah. Oh, I've got so much more. Ooh, what's that?
It's a mini wallet. Better show that. Can we have an unboxing of that?
Yeah. I just found this in my wallet. I don't think I even knew I had it. I don't think this is something that I've bought. I think this may have come with the wallet, and I just didn't
It's
know.
wallet instructions. Look at that, it's a saw.
It's a multi-tool that I had no idea I owned.
Look at that, a beautiful tool.
So I had this whole time. I've had this wallet for years. That is the Edge carbon fibre wallet, complete with money and cards.
Come and
Thank you
steal
very
it
much
now.
for watching that part of the video. I'm not going to do an outro because there's going to be another part of the video later. Get out of my house!
I think.
Howdy!
Hi, I need coffee. Coffee. Coffee.
Now you need to press a right button.
What's the white button do?
A right button make her come and go broken.
Oh, well, don't push that one then.
Yeah, let's press it.
Coffee for Aaron.
If Aaron doesn't have coffee, I'm going to explode and many people will die.
But I need the little tacos. Without them, I explode.
Stop.
You can have some coffee, Nate?
No.
Good idea.
He almost had some coffee this morning.
Did you nearly drink Mummy's coffee?
Yeah.
Did you think it was your drink?
Yeah.
What was your drink?
Coffee.
Look at that face.
Why?
Because we're going to the markets to get some food.
Mom.
Did you just notice that Mummy's gone?
Yes.
Do you remember when Mummy tried to give you a kiss goodbye?
Yeah.
Did you give her a kiss? No. So she went off to get coffee. Alright.
No.
Oh, isn't the tent up yet?
No.
Let's put it up.
It'd be a big tent.
I think it's pretty big.
Get me up in.
What? Can't get in yet. Oh, you can.
Get me up again.
I'm going to go into this tent. Whoa! Hey, cool tent.
You have the eye down.
Oh, good idea. Is this your favourite? Oh, thanks, buddy. What a nice cuddle. Help! 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 I'm stuck under a boy. I'm going to eat his tummy.
You can't catch me. Chibi, you know Grandpa?
I don't know who your grandfather is. In fact, I don't know who you are.
Actually, you don't know me who I are.
Thank you very much for watching. That's the end of today's vlog. Please like and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. The descriptions will be down in the link below. And I'll see you in the next vlog. Nate, you got anything to say to the camera?
Goodbye.
Hey.
And W.
And have some good fun.
Have some good fun and good bad luck and good luck.
All of the above. I think that's going to be my new sign off. Have some good fun. Can you say it too?
Good fun.